My name's Brooke with WTI, and I would love to share with you this body oil by Neutrogena. This really makes my skin look healthy and gives me a nice glow. I know with my legs, sometimes I can put lotion on, but to get that glow, the extra moisturized look, this has really come in handy, especially right after a shower. I've used it, or I've put a few pumps in my bath, and it does a great job of just locking in that moisture, locking in all that so my skin doesn't dry out immediately from the AC or maybe the heater or just stepping outside. So I love the way that this smells as well. It's very light and floral, and I'm able to put a perfume over it and it doesn't cause a problem or mixing scents. It doesn't bother me and it smells wonderful. I don't feel like I will ever get tired of the smell because it is very light but very nice. And I just love that this goes such a long way. This bottle here, I think I can get 8 more months out of it, and I use it liberally. So if you also want to look hydrated, and if you are in the summer months and you need to wear shorts, it's nice to give your legs a little pampering and you want them to not dry out. So I recommend this body oil, and that's my point of view.